Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can benchmark and see your FPS and GPU temperature and CPU temperature on your PC, on Windows PC. This works for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started and see how it works. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to this MSI.com, this website. This will be in the description below, and you can download the beta version or the final version. So I just recommend you to download the final version. If something doesn't work, you can try the beta version. So we're gonna click on this final 4.64.5. So click on it, and it should pop up and ask you to download it, and we're gonna wait for the program to download. After it's downloaded, then we're just gonna click on this zip file, and here we can close the Google Chrome. Now we can extract this MSI Afterburner, just installer. Just you can do this, or you can click on extract all and click on extract. And then we have here this setup right here. So now we double click on this setup and we just install it like a normal program. Now you can install this Norton 364 Gamer if you want. We are not gonna install it, so we click on install. You can install it if you want. And here we're gonna choose the language. We're gonna choose on English, or you can choose other languages. So I'm just gonna go with English. Click OK. Click on next. And click here I accept license agreement. Next. And definitely you want to install this Riva tuner. Next. Next. Install. And here is for the Riva tuner. We're gonna click and select the language. Click OK. And here if it says, as you can see here, I already have it installed, but I'm just gonna click on yes. Click on yes. Next. I accept. Next. And just install it like a normal program once again. And after that we're gonna uncheck this show readme and finish. And again we're gonna uncheck this and let run MSI Afterburner and click on finish. We can close these folders, we don't need it anymore. And here's the Afterburner. Here we're gonna click on this settings here icon, this. And now here we're gonna click on monitoring. This is the tab that we need to monitor our FPS and all GPU temperatures and all that stuff. And now here, this depends on what you want. For example, I want GPU temperature to show, so I'm gonna click on show on screen display. And then I want the GPU usage to show as well. I'm gonna click on show again, this one. And on properties, make sure it says in. And here now we're gonna go first this CPU 1, CPU 2, CPU 3, CPU 4. This is the cores of your CPU. Each core, you can test each temperature of each core. And here is the whole CPU. So I'm gonna go again with the show on screen display. With the usage, I like to show my CPU temperature, CPU usage, and GPU usage and GPU temperature, RAM usage as well, show on screen display. And here from the frame rate, we're gonna check this, make sure it's checked, frame rate, and click on it and click on show on screen display. And you can choose many other options if you want this with 1% low and all that stuff, but you have to do with this benchmark here in order to see that. So that's it for now. Here, that's it for what I'm gonna choose. Let's choose the CPU clock as well and show on display. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much that I want. And now we're gonna click on apply and OK. Now one more thing before you hop in a game and see your FPS and GPU temperature and all that stuff. Now you can see your temperature as well here when you click on this, but you can go now on start and type in Riva Tuner Statistics Server. Click on this. And here is a blue monitor, as you can see here. So we double click on it, and here we're gonna, if you want, you can start it with Windows. Make sure this show on screen display is on, and here we're gonna put on low. You can try on medium if it's not working. This is all the default settings. We're gonna let it like that. And here you can see how it will look, so you can choose the color of it. You can make it bigger, the font, if you want. As you can see here, you can make as much bigger as you want the folder. You can here add the applications. You can add a profile for a certain application, certain settings. So that's pretty much it. You just launch now a game. Make sure the Riva Tuner is in the background. Minimize it and make sure the MSI Afterburner is running. If it's not running, it will not show anything. It will not show the temperature, all that stuff. Make sure it's running in the background, so you can just minimize it. So that's pretty much it how you can do it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.